Thank you. Thank you. Great. Thank you.
Are the experiences of Hey Baby now coming into picture for reason?
I've had 3 babies home already, my brother's babies, so there's enough experience at home. Thank you.
So 2014 is a brilliant year for you.
Yes.
It's an award function. What are your expectations like?
I didn't know I've been nominated, so that's big enough. So to cheer whoever wins in my category. And I guess Ek Villain also falls into the Hall of Fame kind of category where they celebrate successful commercial films. So we get to be part of that too. Upcoming films, Bangistan and Bangchor. So these are the 2 films that I have done, and hopefully they'll be coming out soon. करेगी यार, क्यों नहीं करेगी? धोनी, विराट, बहुत ज़्यादा मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं और जिनकी वजह से हम लोग पिछला कप जीते थे, आज वो है नहीं इसलिए देख रहे हैं। अब मैं डायरेक्टर को बोलता हूँ आइए।
Alright, this is really nice though. Nice idea. Okay. Hi. The baby is doing fine, great. Actually, it was really difficult to come out tonight, leaving her alone. Her last year, holding your little finger and all really feels bad when you have to walk away. I don't plan like that. I don't plan making films in any way. I just think it's what excites me in a particular time. I go and make it. And I think, well, the remake of Intouchables is a romantic comedy. It's a light-hearted, feel-good film. जो मैं करण के साथ बना रहा हूँ. I guess that would have a certain amount of an uplifting, romantic comedy feel. Whenever they I will agree to work with me. I love Siddharth and Varun, both of them. They're just great people, and they're so energetic and stuff like that. I will be probably planning something with them soon. Well, I'm a huge fan of my little sister Alia Bhatt. I think whenever I meet her, I'm actually like, forget that she's my cousin, and I start getting onto a whole struggling director mode with her, because like, she keeps laughing at me for that. So I met her when she came to meet my baby, and she's someone who I think is not only a big star, but one of the most emotional actresses I've ever seen of our time. And, that's what makes it so difficult, because Alia, I think, is so good. I'll find a role very difficult to give her. I have to live up to her. Well, I would think more than Highway, I even enjoyed her in Humpty also. It was such an effortless performance, I think. Well, I think I'm Indian, or I only hope for the best. Because I think if these boys don't do it, no one else could in the past, and I think they're really something else this time. At the moment, I love Virat Kohli for his aggression. युवी का जो एक attitude है, जो शायद you miss that kind of attitude from other people, but you have other new attitudes that come in. Obviously, the Yuvraj and World Cup, that's unpurchasable. Thank you. Can I leave this here?
सर भाई cure that at any level?
Not at all. I think whatever the role requires you to do, whatever personality you need to adopt for the role, you must. And each role is different. So whatever role you get, you should just do it justice. And I'm hoping that the next film, Satra Ko Shaadi, hopefully I've done just that. So let's see.
And who are you wearing today?
Tanya Kanuja.
क्या बोलूं, धोनी जी तो रिटायर हो गए टेस्ट क्रिकेट से। नहीं, पहले तो वो भी होता था टेस्ट क्रिकेट, लेकिन वेरी एक्साइटेड। मैं क्रिकेट का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ। आईपीएल ने थोड़ा गड़बड़ कर दिया था मेरे लिए, बट आई एम फोकसिंग ऑन द अवार्ड्स राइट नाउ। क्या? कोहली। हाँ, विराट इज माय, सभी करते हैं आई थिंक। या राइट। It should. I think every film I have that expectation with, and why not? It's always a step ahead for me. I'm very excited because it's a very, very, very different role that I've played in this. So yeah, I'm so happy that the songs have caught up. People are loving it. So जी, 2 serials. वो तो गुरमीत है ना।
आपकी फिल्म आ रही खामोशियाँ, तो आपने कोई एग्रीमेंट किया है कि जब तक फिल्म रिलीज नहीं हो जाएगी आप खामोश रहेंगे?
नहीं, मैं खामोश लग रहा हूँ।
आप अपने अभी बोला वहाँ पे कि मैं मुझे
नहीं, वो भट्ट साहब ने एक दफा बोला था रहने को। कुछ नहीं ऐसा,
लेकिन हम इतने
सब
खामोश भी
टंटा
नहीं
है।
रह सकते हैं। We have to have
झूठ बोल रहे हैं हम लोग। थैंक यू।
It is shaping up wonderfully. Very inspired, very excited. Mohenjo-daro is it right now for me. Totally focused onto that. Build something great. All the best.
Charles, Mayor Charles is shaped up very well. I think it'll be a March 13th release, and I'm quite looking forward to sharing it. Actress finalized for it? What do you mean? There are many female parts in that movie which are very interesting. One of the major ones is played by Richa Chadda, and it's turned out to be very well.
वर्ल्ड कप से क्या उम्मीद है आपकी?
बहुत ज़्यादा उम्मीद है, मेरे ख्याल से हमें जीतना चाहिए।
और खिलाड़ी, फेवरेट खिलाड़ी कौन?
मेरे दोनों फेवरेट खिलाड़ी नहीं, एक दो हैं इसमें, धोनी है, पर युवराज और सहवाग नहीं है, so I'm disappointed about that, पर क्या कर सकते हैं, it's all sport. No, in both of them you have to act well. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.